Welcome to English 100. I'm Susan Holland, your instructor. I'm excited to talk to you about college writing and the writing process, all of the skills that you will need for college writing throughout your college career. And if you would like to get into the learning content, please go into Canvas and go to the Modules tab along the left side and click on it, and you will see um, the modules that we will be using throughout the course. And I would also like to point out that I have many resources for you to use that you may want to save for future use in your college classes. Also, I would like to point out that we have a question and answers forum in the discussions. And if you would go to the discussions, you will see where to go to the question and answers forum. And you just need to click on the forum and go in to ask a question, not of a personal nature, but for the class, a class assignment, or something in general dealing with an assignment that you would like to know. And I will get back to you as soon as possible. And there is my question and answers forum introduction, and to stay subscribed to the question and forum, just go to the right hand side and click on the green ribbon, or the ribbon. It will turn green once you've clicked on it, and this will subscribe you. And also I am subscribed, so whenever you put something on the discussion board, I will get back to you as soon as possible, or maybe one of your classmates may respond to your question. And it's a great way for us to get to know each other and to find out things that we need to know in the class. Now, for a personal nature, please email me at my OTC address, and I will get back to you within 24 hours, or over the weekend. I will wait until the following Monday. If you would like an overview of the class, go to the syllabus tab, click on it, and the course syllabus is right here. Sorry, I'm a little slow. My computer's a little slow. You can go through the course syllabus and see what the class is about, which hopefully I'm giving you a short introduction to that. And then below the course syllabus, you will see the assignments, and you kind of go through and check out each one. Well, that is my introduction to the class. I'm looking forward to spending our online time together and productively, and I will see you next time.